You're not horny. You actually just need a hug. You need to be held. You're craving intimacy. You don't need a drink. You actually just want to feel something. You actually just want to feel good. You don't need caffeine. You actually need rest. You haven't slept in weeks, months, and your body is tired. You need rest and relaxation. You don't need to work harder. You need new inspiration and enthusiasm to feel motivated every day. I feel like a lot of us don't know the language of our bodies, so we end up translating our needs completely wrong. We hear that our body is craving something and we'll go, hey, I need sugar, when really your body is saying, no, I'm low on vitamins. And we do the same thing with our spirit and with our mind and our mental health. We're misdiagnosing ourselves. So for those of you that resonate with what I'm saying, listen to your body and pay attention to it. Don't listen to your craving. Listen to your need, because that's what you actually are searching for. I love you.